This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Ashley Swindell. Classic Larchmont home west/original charm and modern amenities. Large, elegant foyer west/lidded glass windows invites you into this warm and comfortable floor plan. Living room west/stone fireplace, tall ceilings, beautiful hardwood floors, molding and tall baseboards plus huge, bright den. Chef's kitchen west/quartz counters, crisp white cabinets and soft close drawers. Frigidaire stainless steel appliances make cooking a dream and entertaining easy in the large open dining area. All baths included modern comforts and updates. Large spa-like primary suite west/walk-in closet and vanity space. Huge third floor private deck and fenced backyard enhance outdoor enjoyment and entertaining. For more information, review the details below.